Top 5, the best point and shoot camera 2020, a guide to the best product. There are a lot of best point and shoot cameras to choose from, and not all are built alike or for the same type of photographer. In this video we're going to break down top 5 the best point and shoot cameras on the market today. We'll be taking a look at point and shoot in every budget range, so regardless of whether you've got a few bucks to spare and want the best value or are looking for the best of the best, we'll have an option for you. So if you're interested in finding out which point and shoot camera is best suited to you, keep watching. As always, all the links to all the products mentioned in this video will be in the description down below. We also update the description down below with links to find the best price on each product, so for the most up-to-date information along with updated prices, be sure to check out the description. The products mentioned in this video are in no exact order, so be sure to stay tuned till the end so you don't miss anything. Also make sure you subscribe for more videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Number 1. Canon Cameras US 1084C001 Canon PowerShot DLPH 190 digital camera. About this item: 10x optical zoom with optical image stabilizer helps you capture images with flexibility and ease. Built-in Wi-Fi and NFC allows for easy sharing and transference of images and videos. 20.0 megapixel CCD sensor combines with the DIGIC4+ image processor to help deliver stunning image quality. Shooting capacity approximate 190 shots. Approximate 245 shots in echo mode. Video recording time approximate 50 minutes. 720p HD video capabilities. High-speed USB mini direct connection to Canon Selfie, PIXMA photo printers and PicBridge compatible printers. Smart Auto intelligently selects the proper settings based on predefined shooting situations. Scene modes such as fisheye effect, toy camera effect and monochrome provide creative freedom to capture your photos. Help button provides simple explanations and easy control of your settings. Operating humidity 10-90%. Number 2. Olympus Tough TG6 waterproof camera. About this item: waterproof 50 feet / 15 meter, dustproof, shockproof 7 feet / 2.1 meter, crushproof 100 kg, freeze-proof 14 degree Fahrenheit / -10 degrees Celsius, anti-fog, high-resolution f2.0 lens, maximum 8x zoom, true pic VII, back-illuminated CMOS image sensor. Variable macro system comprised of 4 macro shooting modes, magnified shooting up to 1 cm from the end of the lens, 5 underwater shooting modes including underwater microscope, 3 underwater white balance modes. 4K movie and Full HD 120 fps high-speed movies can be recorded. Battery life approximate 340 images using Toshiba SDHC SiCard Xperia with Azon, based on CIPA test standards. Approximate 50 minutes under standard JIDA testing. Approximate 110 minutes when zoom and other operational functions are not used, when repeatedly recording at the maximum time of 29 minutes. Number 3. Canon PowerShot G9X Mark II compact digital camera. About this item: 1.0-inch, 20.1 megapixel high-sensitivity CMOS sensor, Digic7 image processor. Compatible with iOS versions 8.4, 9.3 and 10.2 and Android smartphone and tablet versions. Ultra slim, lightweight and pocket-size camera. Features: touchscreen panel, capacitive type. Number 4. Sony DSCW800/B 20.1 MP digital camera. About this item: MP Superhead CCD sensor for beautifully detailed images. Blink detection. Sony Lens W/5x optical zoom and 360 sweep panoramic. Reduced blur with Steadist hot image stabilization. Recording format: still images, JPEG, movie, AVI motion JPEG. Capture your videos in 720p HD movie mode. Simplify camera menu with easy mode, digital zoom, still images, 20m approximate 10x, 10m approximate 7.1x, 5m approximate 9.9x, VGA approximate 40x, 2m16:9 approximate 13x, movies, digital zoom approximate 10x *1 Superhead CCD 20.1 MP sensor. Sony lens with f3.2 W 6.4T maximum aperture. Number 5. Sony BSC-WX220/B 18.2MP digital camera. About this item: 10x optical flash, 20x clear image zoom, G lens, 182MP XMR CMOS sensor for superb low light images, BIO NZX engine for superb detail and noise reduction. Operating temperature: 30 to 104 degrees F, flash 0-40 degrees C. Smooth full HD video recording in 1080/60p. Simple connectivity to smartphones via WI-FIW flash NFC. Capture the decisive moment with up to 10 fps. In the box: rechargeable battery, NPB-NAC adapter, ACUD10C/UP10D micro USB cable, wrist strap, instruction manual. Battery life: still images CIPA Cohen up to 210 shots, flash 105 minutes.